Alexandra here, and I want to welcome you to the Zen Water program. Welcome to the Balance series. Today, we're going to talk about mudras. Mudras coming from this Eastern yogic tradition, and it's all about an amazing, powerful practice of stabilizing our mood, also balance the energy between body and mind. Most of the mudras, what they actually teach is a very simple way of positioning our fingers and our hands in order to facilitate the flow of energy within the body. So today, our main mudra we're going to explore and practice together, it is called Jhana Mudra. And it's an amazing way to calm your mind before you go to bed. It's a tool that will help you to improve the quality of your sleep by just practicing 4 to 5 minutes each night. So I'm going to show you how it works. You can practice this either on a seated position, either while you're lying on your back, whatever feels better for you. But I highly recommend you to practice it as a part of meditation. So actually, one of the main benefits of this practice is that you can calm the mind, you can make the body steady, while at the same time, it brings the mind into a deep state of relaxation. So I'm going to show you step by step how does it work. So first of all, we're going to bring the index finger and we're going to fold it to touch the base of our thumb. When we do this, it's as if we create a circle with our index fingers and the thumb fingers pointing out. The rest of the fingers are nicely extended, right? And we just press our hands on the top of our thighs or the knees, and we just make sure that the fingers, the 3 fingers, middle, ring finger, and little finger, pointing downwards and forwards. And as we do this, we just relax the palms. And we just make sure that the shoulders are fully relaxed. The elbows are hugging in gently. And we're going to close the eyes and we're going to stay here for a few moments. We're going to breathe in and breathe out. And with each and every breath, remind to yourself to create some quality time where you can spend this time with yourself and by yourself fully. Make sure the spine is nice and long. Open your heart center a little bit more. Soften the belly muscles in. Relax the back of the neck and drop the chin just a few inches towards the sternum. Just breathe. Imagine with every breath you take, you are becoming calmer and calmer. Each time you exhale, you release any tension. Take a slower breath in. And a longer breath out and let go, let go. If your mind wanders, if your mind goes to where you were earlier today or what you were doing, just notice that happening and gently bring your mind back to the present moment, back into here and now. Take a slower breath in and a longer breath out. And see if you can unclench the jaw. See if you can soften the space between your 2 eyebrows. See if you can soften the skin on your forehead. Imagine your body is becoming more and more relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out. Let go. With the next inhalation, bring your hands together right in front of your heart center. When you're ready, move the body a little bit forwards and backwards and gently open your eyes again. So, thank you so much for joining this class. I hope you feel more relaxed now and ready to go to bed. And feel free to practice this each and every evening before you go to bed, just to calm your nervous system. We all need this, right? Especially in times of challenge, in times of stress, in times our mind gets busy. So I wish you to enjoy the rest of the day, and I look forward to see you soon, guys. Bye, everyone.